banana milk carrot smoothie or carrot milk banana smoothie or banana carrot smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana carrot smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the carrot smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes. We're going to make banana milk carrot smoothie or banana carrot milk smoothie. We've taken around 100 grams of carrot peeled and cut into pieces, 75 grams of sugar, 1 banana cut into pieces. Put in the carrot pieces, put in the sugar, now put in the banana pieces, and grind well. Now the carrot and the bananas have been nicely ground. Pour in now 300 ml of milk. Close and grind well. Now the banana milk carrot smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Now pour in the smoothie. Into the glasses. This is the final banana milk carrot smoothie or carrot milk banana smoothie or milk banana carrot smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana carrot smoothies and one of the most unique of the banana smoothies and one of the most delicious of the carrot banana smoothies and one of the most delicious unique of the carrot recipes and one of the most unique and different of the banana recipes. One of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.